स्वः तस्य पितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Thank you. Please rub your hands together. Touch your eyes and your face and slowly open your eyes. So there was the blessings so that we move in the right direction, we do the right things.
मैं स्कूल में गया, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस, क्या डिसिप्लिन था. मैंने कहा सर आप सबसे घटिया से दिखाई. Says मैम क्या बात कर रहे हो? I said a silent school is an unhappy school. You agree?
Yes.
A school should have all the noise.
That's what I tell
When you go and tell the children, shh, keep quiet, don't move, don't this. You are killing the child there and then all, he will hate coming to school. हम जब when we as teachers or as principals when you go for work, अगर सुबह उठ के आपको ये लगे, I face is that a good feeling?
No.
When your management is so strict कि आपको going to the school is a burden, you are dragging it because उसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा reason है. You are not going for motivation. I have to teach the world. You are going for the money first. Yes or no? Motivation only comes with. See, financial benefit is one of the driving factors. Whether we like it, we don't like it, we cannot deny it. Otherwise, why would you want to switch schools? You get financial benefit. So, other you cannot leave the school because it's giving you good financial, but it's a burden. That means you're not going to a good school. The same way, if the child gets up in the morning and says, "Mama, means he's unhappy, he's going to unhappy." So that's what I say. When you do activities in the class, let there be noise. Your management also, including me, have to understand sometimes these noise are productive noise. It's a productive noise. Not hooliganism कि आप कह रहे हो मैम ने कहा था प्रोडक्टिव नहीं करो जो मर्जी करो छोड़ के आपका वेट खुलना ऐसे वाला भी नहीं. कोई गलत बात होगी. We have to differentiate. We are intelligent enough to differentiate between productive and unproductive. Right? So ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Next sir. चलिए ये एक मैच का फॉलोइंग.
आप लोगों को बोर करने का बिल्कुल मेरा कोई इरादा नहीं है. हंसते हंसाते सीख कर जाइए. याद रखिएगा कोई आया था आपसे मिलने. भाई धूप के आंगन में समंदर का बसेरा होगा. ये लखविंदर मैम ने मुझे कहा था. मेरे घर आओगे तो ऐसा सवेरा होगा धूप के आंगन में. और जिनके दोस्त बहुत अच्छे होते हैं ना, उन्हें किसी चीज की परवाह नहीं होती है. डसने वालों से कहो जहर खुद ही चूसोगे. डसने वालों से कहो ये जहर खुद ही चूसोगे. मेरे अहबाब में कोई तो सपेरा होगा. कोई तो सपेरा होगा. मेरे घर आओगे तो ऐसा सवेरा होगा. रात की नींद भी कि हर रात ईद हो, हर दिन ही दिवाली हो. जहाँ हर रात ईद हो, हर दिन ही दिवाली हो. जहाँ कोई तो मकान ऐसा हो, कोई तो मकान ऐसा हो जो तेरा ना मेरा होगा. कोई तो मकान ऐसा हो. तेरे मेरे में ही खपते रह गए हम. कुर्सी के लिए भी तेरा मेरा है, ये मेरी है. अच्छा किया उठा के अलग बिठाए, नहीं तो मुझे भी, मैं भी हमेशा कहती हूँ अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आइए. ठीक है जी. तो धूप के पूरी अथॉरिटी पूरी उसके साथ कहती हूँ, मैं कन्विक्शन के साथ जहाँ जाके लोगों के बीच में खड़ी होती हूँ कि याद ना किया तो फिर मेरे होने का कोई मकसद नहीं है। तो रात की नींद भी तेरे साथ ही घर से निकली, हम क्या जाने थे, हम क्या जाने थे तू ऐसा लुटेरा होगा, हम क्या जाने थे तू ऐसा लुटेरा होगा, धूप के आंगन में। और जब किसी ने लुटेरा कह ही दिया है, मैं चला जाऊंगा, मुझे जाना ही है जाने मन, मैं चला जाऊंगा। 2 दिन बुलाया है CBSE ने पहाड़ों में, रहने को जगह भी नहीं दी, कहते उल्टी करो सीधे हो, हमें नहीं मतलब है, रोज आओ जाओ। तो उसकी वजह से ये कहना पड़ रहा है, मैं चला जाऊंगा।
And dear friends, I'm Kopil Baba from MRA DAV Solin. The proverb is don't talk the talk if you can't walk the walk. I'll just explain it by relating to the lost spring. The author promises Sahib that she would be building a school. I think that explains it.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Radhika Chauhan from DAV Rajgarh. And the proverb that I had got was, if you want something done right, do it yourself. Don't be lazy. You'll have to take up the action yourself. You'll have to take the first step. You can't be bossy on anyone to do your work. So it is about doing your work yourself confidently. Thank you so much.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Surinder Sharma from DAV Dalaghat. My proverb is well explained by man. I'm here to learn, relearn and unlearn. Thank you very much everyone.
Whatever you heard Dr. Rajesh say and whatever information was disseminated, can we put it into writing section? Yes, ma'am. Can it be a newspaper report for tomorrow? We didn't expect this, right? Yes, we did. So we will listen carefully. All right, so could it be one? Ji ma'am. All right, so the pre-writing skills, as ma'am says, it has to be done tomorrow. So maybe this can be the base, so that we don't disassociate ourselves with the activity that has happened now. So thank you all so much. See, I've had a word with God. It stopped raining. So in time, so for tomorrow we'll be 9 sharp, and the photograph will happen at 11. So I request you all to please be in time, and maybe the weather goes bad again tomorrow. So let us not take any chances. You all have to go far away. I can see people coming from Hisar, Ambala, Datnagar, far off, right? All of you, of course. And again, like I told you, each one of you are experts in your field. I'm sure both the RPs have added on an icing. Thank you all so much. Have a wonderful day.